and helped the varsity win a league championship. This season, Emily has been one of the best forwards in the Mountain League and is being nominated for all league nomination by Coach Locklear. The Lady Dons and Coach Locklear will miss Emily very much. How about a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Next, we have number 33, Brandon D. Thomas. She will be escorted by her sister, Christina Gisela. Brandy was a Bishop Armand High School her first 3 years and has transferred to SV to graduate with the girls she went to school, middle school with. Coach Locklear, the Lady Dons, love Brandy and will miss her. Our only regret is that Brandy didn't get to play for us 4 years. Next, Desiree de Tremont. As I mentioned, Desiree is starting point guard on the freshman league champion Lady Dons. As a sophomore, Desiree was the starting point guard on the JV Lady Dons league championship team. As a junior, Desiree was a player on the varsity Lady Dons, which won the league championship. This year, a senior, Desiree has been heard of as a very valuable member of the varsity team. Coach Locklear and all the Lady Dons will miss Desiree because she has always put all of us first and has been our best friend and most loyal teammate. How about a hand for our Desiree? Next, we have number 23, Arely Canales. Arely has made an outstanding contribution to the Lady Dons basketball program. She won a freshman league championship. As a sophomore, she won a JV league championship. Last year, as a junior, she helped the varsity team win league championship. This year, she has been a great leader and one of the best guards in the league. Coach Locklear is nominating her for an all-league selection. Coach Locklear will be on her tremendously for her hard work and dedication. She is our hero forever. Next, number 22, Yaneli Kampa. Out of all former Lady Dons who have played for Coach Locklear at De Anza Elementary School. At De Anza, Yaneli played on 2 undefeated league championship teams. At SV, Yaneli won a freshman league championship, a JV league championship, and last year as a junior, she helped the team win the varsity league championship. This year as a senior, Yaneli has been an outstanding leader and forward for the Lady Dons. Coach Locklear is nominating her for all Montview League honors. Coach Locklear and the Lady Dons are grateful for their time spent with Yaneli. Will miss her hard work and dedication to making her team better. Next, number 13, Esther Molinar. Who is being nominated by her parents, Louis and Alma Molinar. Esther's accomplishments at SB include being a member of the freshman league championship team her freshman year and a member of 2 JV league championship teams. This year, Esther has been one of the best guards in the Montview League and is being nominated by Coach Locklear for all league honors. The Lady Dons and Coach Locklear will miss Esther's total willingness to do whatever it takes to make herself and her team better. Esther, we will miss you. Last but not least, we have number 3, Jasmine Paulino. Jasmine is the last of the North American Round Championship with Coach Locklear's University Junior High. Her accomplishments are as follows. The freshman year, she was the starting point guard on the JV team that won the league championship. Her sophomore year, she was an assistant captain and started winning on the undefeated varsity Lady Dons for her efforts. Jasmine was named first team All-League as a sophomore. Last year as a junior, Jasmine was the captain and the starting point guard for the varsity league champion Lady Dons and led her team to the CIF semifinals game. For her effort, Jasmine was named first team All-League point guard, All-CIF, All-San Diego Valley Tribune Player of the Year. This year, Jasmine is the captain of the Lady Dons and was a candidate to be named Montpelier MVP before she suffered a knee injury at Gladstone High School. Jasmine led the Lady Dons to the La Puente Tournament Championship and was named Tournament All Most Valuable Player honors of that tournament. The Lady Dons miss her terribly out on the court and hope to have her back for the CIF playoffs. Jasmine will be missed by all of the Lady Dons, but will especially be missed by Coach Locklear along with all of the other seniors who will be honored tonight. We hope you enjoy the game. Special thanks goes out tonight to all of our 6-man club members in the audience, the SB cheer, the SB men in attendance tonight, administration, teachers, family, and friends. Go Lady Dons, thank you very much. Give a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Now, ladies and gentlemen, a few words from Coach Locklear.